Hello and welcome to a new Bitcoin update. Remember, everything in this update represents my view of the market and is not a financial advice. Please do your own technical analysis and risk management. Now that we got that out of the way, I hope everyone is okay and safe in this range we've been in since November. Even though the price action was not very friendly, waiting for the main areas of interest paid off. So let's go and make the updates for today. We are still in this range. It's as simple as that. If it looks like a range, acts like a range, you trade it like a range. Meaning you don't mess around in the middle of the range. That's why we've been waiting for quite some time for this deviation of the range highs for a short. So if you remember, we had this red box here, and let me show you how we played this short. We went on a lower time frame and we waited for a meaningful market structure break because this was kind of a swing short, not just an intraday. So as soon as we got a 30 minutes market structure break, which we can see at this candle here, we didn't got it, we got it here. This was our market structure break. Then we can go and add a fib retracement and look at that. We have a perfect retest in the golden pocket. This is our entry. Stop at the high. Targeting, first of all, EQ early open for a really nice 11-hour trade. That's nice. Almost 10%. Now, we've taken profits here, the trade is risk-free, and next take profit will be range lows. Now, since we all know early open is an important level, and being EQ also here, we've also taken a scalp long, which might turn into more than a scalp, but because we are in the middle of the range, we are already risk-free. But for this long, we are targeting range highs again, which, funny enough, it will be a next area of resistance, because if we add a fib retracement from high to low, we can see we have a nice golden pocket on the range highs. So this way, having a short from the top of the range and the long from here, we are covered and we don't care which way price goes. So that's the thing with ranges. They are the easiest to trade if you have the patience to wait for the main areas of interest. Now, going forward, what can we expect? I'm still working on this range. Nothing changed. So the first area for a long will be a swing failure pattern of range lows, which will be here, and let's make it this green because it's a long. So here, if we have a swing failure pattern of this low and we get back inside the range, then we can have another long from here. Same scenario, waiting for a market structure break or a change in state of delivery, stop loss wherever the low will be, targeting again mid-range and then range high. If range lows doesn't hold, then we have the same areas we've spoken about, swing failure pattern of April's lows, 74K, and lower than that, golden pocket from bear market lows to all-time high. In terms of resistance, I don't think I updated the volume. Let's see. Yes, we need to update this one too. Okay, so point of control moved down here, but we still have a lot of volume here on these two areas, so these ones are as important as the point of control. In terms of fib retracement, nothing changed. This one is still in place, so I'll keep the golden pocket and now value area high of this entire range as the first area of resistance, and 786 because I like a swing failure pattern of these highs here. If price can flip this volume cluster here, then we'll most likely see a new all-time high where we have the same scenario you are used to, wait for the breakout, market structure break, and then we have the entry for a short wherever the high will be, targeting new lows. I think that is it for today. I wish I could tell you more, but until we break out of this range, there's not much to update. If you are interested in day trading Bitcoin, you can find daily updates and trading plans within our Discord, both from our teachers, PT and Cake, and myself. So come join us, I'm sure you'll love the gang. That's it for today. I wish you a great weekend and I'll see you next week. Bye bye!